In this episode, we're going to explore beyond the pages of A Banished Wife Complaint. A Banished Wife Complaint is a sad, personal poem where a woman speaks about her great loneliness and suffering. Her husband was also her lord, left their home and people, and though she tried to follow him, his own relatives schemed to keep them separated and unhappy. As a result, she was forced to live alone in a grim, miserable place, a cave or earth hole in the desolated escape. She spent her days there, consumed by intense longing for her lost love, and she curses the separation and the misery of being completely alone, reflecting on her sad fate while imagining others' happy couple. So my take about this poem is that The Banished Wife Complaint is a sorrowful poem that gives a voice to a woman exiled by her husband's family. Through images of cold, empty places, it shows her deep emotional pain. But it also a quiet protest against a male-dominated society where women have little control. Her power comes from telling her story, turning personal grief into a lasting statement about betrayal, loss, and the strength found in speaking out.